The stock market can feel overwhelming, with its constant ups and downs, new companies entering the scene, and others fading away. But when it comes to investing, one timeless principle stands out: the best investments are often the ones you hold on to. Today, we'll explore some of the best stocks to buy and hold in 2025, based on market trends, long-term potential, and resilience. Before we dive in, a quick reminder: investing carries risks. Always do your research and, if needed, consult a financial advisor before making any decisions. Let's start with a company that's been making headlines for its dominance in artificial intelligence: NVIDIA. NVIDIA has cemented its position as a leader in AI hardware and software. With the growing demand for AI applications, from chatbots to self-driving cars, NVIDIA's cutting-edge GPUs remain indispensable. The company's partnerships with major tech giants and its innovation pipeline suggest it's not just a stock for today but for the future. Holding NVIDIA could mean riding the wave of AI's explosive growth. Next on the list is a name you probably hear daily: Amazon. While Amazon is already a household name, its potential goes far beyond e-commerce. The company's cloud computing division, AWS, continues to dominate the industry, providing infrastructure for startups and global corporations alike. With ventures into healthcare, artificial intelligence, and even robotics, Amazon has positioned itself as a multifaceted powerhouse. As long as innovation is in demand, Amazon's stock is likely to stay relevant and strong. Now, let's shift to a different sector: electric vehicles. Tesla remains a frontrunner in the EV revolution. With a loyal customer base, relentless innovation, and ambitious plans for global expansion, Tesla is setting the standard for sustainable transportation. Beyond cars, Tesla's energy division is gaining traction, focusing on solar panels and battery storage systems. These diversified ventures make it a stock to hold for years, as the world moves toward greener energy. While we're talking about green energy, let's look at NextEra Energy, a leader in renewable energy solutions. Unlike flashy tech giants, NextEra focuses on building a sustainable future with wind and solar energy projects. Governments worldwide are increasing investments in clean energy, and companies like NextEra are positioned to benefit. For investors looking for stability and growth in the green economy, NextEra Energy is worth considering. Finally, we have a company that's innovating in the pharmaceutical and biotech space: Pfizer. Pfizer made headlines with its COVID-19 vaccine, but its pipeline extends far beyond that. With groundbreaking research in oncology, rare diseases, and vaccines, Pfizer continues to push the boundaries of healthcare. The company's strong dividend history and commitment to innovation make it a solid choice for long-term investors. Now, you might wonder, why these 5? What makes them stand out? The answer lies in a mix of factors: market leadership, innovation, and adaptability. These companies are not just surviving, they're shaping the industries they belong to. However, no investment is without risk. Stock prices can fluctuate, and even the most promising companies face challenges. That's why diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Balance your portfolio across industries and asset types to reduce risk and increase your chances of long-term success. Investing in 2025 is about looking beyond the headlines and focusing on what matters: companies with vision, resilience, and a commitment to growth. NVIDIA, Amazon, Tesla, NextEra Energy, and Pfizer each represent a unique sector poised for future success. These are not just stocks, they're opportunities to participate in shaping the future. The question is, are you ready to take the leap and invest in tomorrow, today?